Are you scared of suffering from heart disease? Don't worry. We will help you improve your diet so that you can prevent or reverse heart disease. Let's discuss some herbal remedies to cure heart problems today. Oh, but before moving ahead, welcome a safe and healing space for patients and caregivers of all ages. We always bring something unique and provide long-term hope to the health space through therapeutic gardens. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us. Also, give a thumbs up to this video. Cardiovascular disease, also known as heart malady or coronary artery disease, CAGD, is the #1 killer in the United States. Diet and lifestyle play a vital role in avoiding and reversing heart disease, and certain herbs can help lower your chance for heart disease and treat heart conditions you've already been diagnosed with. Some herbs may help in fighting atherosclerosis, the fundamental cause of most heart disease. Atherosclerosis causes plaque to build up in your blood supply routes, blocking the flow of oxygen-rich blood to your heart and other organs. It can cause a heart attack and even death. Atherosclerosis is common in the developed world, but outside of it due to individuals, diverse diets, and lifestyles. Herbs have been used as therapeutic medicine since the beginning of civilization. For example, aspirin, research, pain, and digitalis have become mainstays of human pharmacotherapy. Herbal medicines have been used in patients with systolic hypertension, congestive heart failure, atherosclerosis, cerebral insufficiency, and arrhythmia for cardiovascular diseases. The heart is one of the most important organs in your body. When the heart is functioning as it should, you barely notice it. But when your heart begins acting strangely, you have cause to worry. Here are a few herbal remedies that can assist in keeping your heart healthy. #1. Ginger. Ginger is one of the best herbs to cure heart disease. Ginger helps heal inflammation throughout the entire body, and for the heart, its benefits are very significant. It contains compounds comparable to Incyte's anti-inflammatory medications that work on body systems effectively. If you want to use ginger to help your heart, it's best to use the actual ginger plant. Just cut an inch-long slice, cut off the tough outer skin, and brew yourself a tea. You can even use it in your cooking, as it's a delicious culinary herb. I like to cut a few ginger slices and add them to my water with a touch of vinegar. The juices are extricated into the water throughout the day. It's a nice tea and plantation. If you like, you may include a cut or two to one of the herbs for a tasty and healthy tea blend. You can use commercially prepared powdered ginger, but the real plant is best because it is fresh and more effective. #2. Rooibos tea. Excellent. Red. Tasty. Rooibos tea. It's one of my favorite teas. It contains a late woody, slightly sweet taste that I think is lovely. Its color is dazzling as well when it's simmered, and it contains a wonderful reddish color. Quercetin is the main component in rooibos, among many others, including minerals and antioxidants that help lower blood pressure, decrease inflammation in your heart, and positively influence cholesterol. In addition, rooibos is relatively low in tannins and contains no oxalate, which is awesome if you're prone to kidney stones. So take a cup or two of riboside. #3. Mother, worked as the title suggests. Mother water is regularly a woman's herb helping balance the system. However, it's awesome for men as well, particularly when used for tonic cardiovascular health. It can help with anxiety, which could also improve heart health. Mother water has some bitter taste, and therefore, when sold as a tea, it is normally flavored to mask this bitter taste. However, it is better to utilize mother water and tincture form with alcohol as the dissolvable, because the alkaloids which help the heart are dissolvable in alcohol but not water. Hence, although useful as a female tonic tea infusion in water, you should use it as a tincture if you want. The heart benefits. For pregnant women, they should check with their doctor, before using by their water. When you have anxiety, stress hormones are released into the body, and these hormones cause an increase in your heartbeat and a narrowing of your blood vessels. Both of these changes cause high blood pressure. This increase in blood pressure can be dangerous. When the tension goes away, your blood pressure returns to normal. Frequent transient blood pressure rises can harm your blood vessels, heart and kidneys, in the same way that long-term high blood pressure does. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all content from us. Number 4. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is well known to help the circulatory system work well. It detoxifies and filters the blood while helping with blood flow. In addition, cayenne causes a widening action in arteries, so it's useful as an everyday tonic to strengthen and tone. Cayenne works so effectively on the circulatory system that it has been praised for helping reduce risk of a heart attack. You can take a half teaspoon and put it under the tongue, or if you want to be prepared like me, you can make a tincture and have it prepared to go for emergencies. For daily use, you can cook with the powder. If you enjoy hot, zesty tastes, you can add it to tea blends as well. Cayenne pepper is an emergency clotting agent as well. If you are concerned about your heart health, or if you are suffering from heart ailments, cayenne pepper should be a daily staple in your diet. This remarkable medicinal spice is a wonder and can tremendously benefit your health. Cayenne pepper is one of the greatest health secrets in the world, so don't ignore it. Number 5. Celery. Celery is a long-stalked marshland plant belonging to the Apache family. It contains folate, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Celery is an especially rich source of vitamin K, which plays a large role in blood clotting metabolism and regulating blood calcium levels. Celery is an incredible diuretic. If you eat about 3 or so stalks a day, it potentially will help decrease your blood pressure. It contains phytochemicals that help relax the muscles around the blood supply routes, thereby helping reduce blood pressure. It's one of the most excellent plants used in the traditional Chinese medicine, TChem for blood pressure and cardiac issues. In addition to that, it burns negative calories, so it's also awesome for weight loss. Burning negative calories means that it takes your body more energy to digest celery than the caloric value you get from consuming it. Isn't that great? Number 6. Hawthorn leaf and berries. Hawthorn leaves. Berries and blossoms are useful as cardiovascular health herbs. Hawthorn is sometimes found in candied fruit slices, jam, jelly, and wine. They contain a high level of flavonoids, especially parental cytidine, which has amazing health benefits for the heart. Scientists believe hawthorn's action on the heart is mainly to help dilate the arteries, which helps blood flow. Hawthorn also is useful to guard the heart during exercise, as it strengthens and tones the cardiac muscle and enhances contractions of the heart. It's traditional medicine in Europe for congestive heart failure when used in conjunction with pharmaceuticals for blood pressure. Hawthorn may improve the effects of the medication. Therefore, it is important to discuss its use with your doctor if you are taking heart medications. Hawthorn happens to taste delicious as well. In my experience, it is the first herbicide from garlic that should be included in one's regular dietary routine if there's any indication of cardiovascular disease problems. If you have a family member who has heart or vascular issues, or if you consume a diet full of fat, or if you are stressed or use stimulants, hawthorn is a wonderful protector. Heart attacks occur when the blood supply to the heart muscles becomes completely blocked. If a person does not receive immediate treatment, part of the heart muscle can die. Herbal remedies have a place in the successful treatment of often minor pain in the chest when the cause is known and it isn't a serious condition. On the other hand, any serious condition. On the other hand, any serious cases such as a heart attack or angina should be treated immediately by a therapeutic professional. But there are numerous incredible herbal remedies you can use to improve the health of your heart and circulatory system. It is so great to know that nature has given us all we need for our health, and these wonderful plants have never been more available to us than they are these days. So I hope you'll choose to try some tea with some herbs. So guys, I hope this helped you to know how you can prevent heart problems. Try to add these herbs to your diet daily before wrapping up. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your time. If you want to live a healthy life, eat healthy food, stay healthy, stay happy,